Your life is just like a huge game of Monopoly. Hello and welcome back to Millionaires Club. How good are you at playing Monopoly? Or you can replace this question by how good are you at managing your income? It might sound a little bit strange at first, but today in the Millionaires Club I am going to explain to you why your life and the game of Monopoly have so much in common. It should be common sense to everyone that for you to win on Monopoly, you do have to invest your money. The case of the game, on buying real estate. Now imagine that all you do in a Monopoly game is roll your dices and go around the board getting paid once and only once every time you pass by the go tile. That's exactly the kind of situation most people live in their current life. They are solely dependent on a single source of income, not investing any of it. Passing by the go tile, just so you see, would be the equivalent of achieving your main goal in order to survive. Have a stable job that pays you a salary, you have nothing much to worry about. But this, both in the Monopoly game and in your life, puts you only one simple step away from losing the game, aka going bankrupt. The step I am talking about is simply losing your job, your main and so far only source of revenue. And as you are living paycheck to paycheck, eventually you won't have enough to go for another round around the board. And then you are definitely out of the game. You must be questioning us, how did I lose all the money I saved on the first rounds of the game? Or in the first years of my life? Well, you are not playing alone, remember? And you are far, really far from being the best at playing this game. The rules of the game are very easy. It is you against the other investors. Everyone might acquire assets. Those assets will generate you money that will be charged from your adversaries, or in real life, your clients. As simple as that. The better and bigger assets you have, the more money you can generate, the less dependent on the go tile cash you are to survive. In real life, this translates to it is you against other competitors in your market. Doesn't matter which industry you are in, you'll always eventually have someone who wants a piece of the pie, and you'll have to beat your competitors if you want to succeed at this game. And then you need to diversify your sources of income. Do not only buy houses, buy a train station or an airport, in the game of course. In real life this correlates with the philosophy popularized by the billionaire Warren Buffett. By the time of the production of this video, the second richest man in the world, and a model to everyone who wants to become a part of the Millionaires Club. Don't put all your eggs in the same basket. Scarce your risk, because not every day will be a sunny day, and you definitely need to be ready in case the rain decides to show up. And this can also be seen in the rule that forces you to have groups of houses in order to upgrade them to hotels. You must dominate your industry, to the best of it. So, start building your Monopoly right fucking now. And if you are thinking, okay, but if there are people on this market already, how can I succeed? Well, let me remind you that this market is life. And that's the biggest difference between a Monopoly game and real life. Is that there can be multiple winners in real life. So start taking action, stop living paycheck to paycheck, and subscribe to Millionaires Club. Let us know if you agree with this comparison in the comments down below. Our CEO will read and answer every comment. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like and check the other videos on the channel. We'll see you on our next video.